welcome to this video. So today we are showing that how we can install the Node.js using NVM, Node Version Manager, instead of a traditional way, and also we can switch between two versions. So here first we can check that Node version is installed or not. So you can see that we are getting that Node is not recognized as internal and external command error. Okay, so for that install that NVM, we can type that NVM. Okay, and we can go to that official website, that nvmcode.com. Okay, here you can click on the download. Here you can, yeah, let me refresh once. Here you can see that we are getting the download link from the GitHub. NVM for that Windows we can install. If we click on this, you can see that this zip file is downloaded. If I open this, we are getting the setup of NVM. So if we double click on this, so it is asking for the permission. See here you can say I accept the terms and agreement. Next, here you can see that location of that file. Can do the next. So yeah, this is that by default we are installing the Node.js LTS release. We are getting this, so select the event you wish to notify. So we can notify when there is anything come for this much things. So we can do the next. We are not changing anything. Email address is optional. If you want, you can add your email address. Else next and install. So it is very fast. It won't take that much time compared to the traditional Node.js setup. So this is finished. Okay, now if we are going to here, if I type, still you are showing that we are not getting anything. Okay, and if I type NVM version also, then we are getting that NVM version. So already installed. Okay, so let me clear this and let me little bit zoom it. So if you need to check the NVM version, then you can type this. Okay, and if you want to check that how many node version is installed, then we can check NVM list. Here there is no installation is available. Okay, so first you can check that node latest version on the official website. So yeah, if you want to install this 24.11.1, we just need to add the command nvm install 24.11.1 and enter. It will take couple of time to download those version. Okay, yeah, let's wait for the couple of minutes. So yeah, meanwhile you can check that what is the benefit of using that NVM instead of the traditional node. So suppose in our project some module dependencies depends on node version 20, and in the latest project we need to use this 24. So using NVM we can switch between those two versions. Here you can see we are able to see that using NVM use we can switch between the version, but first we can check the list, NVM list. But if I type that node-v, so still we are getting that error because we are not using this version yet. Okay, so we can do that NVM use 24.11.1. It is asking for the permission of your administration, and now we can checking Node.js, then we are able to see that this version is available. And also in that, if we checking the NVM list, you can see the star are here and currently using this version. Okay, now suppose you need to use the another version, like we are using 25.2.0. so just need to use the 25.2.0 and enter. So yeah, it will take less than 1 minute to download and extract this file, and we are able to use the another version also, the Node.js. So now if our project requirements come to use the latest version, we can switch. And if we have another project which is using the 24, that LTS version, so we can switch between those two versions. So if I do the NVM list, you can see both the versions are available. If you want to use this, then we just need to use NVM use and 25.2.0. Okay, so now we can check. Now we can see the 25 version available, and also we can confirm with the node version. So currently we have this version is available. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. So if you have any doubts, you can comment down on this video. And yeah, for that upcoming video, please subscribe this channel and press that bell icon to get the notify for the latest video. Thank you for watching this video.